voiceover script. Are you getting a network error while using CapCut on your PC? Don't worry, in this video, I'll show you step-by-step how to fix it. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Make sure your Wi-Fi or Ethernet is working properly. Open a browser and try loading a website to confirm your internet is stable. If it's not, restart your router. Step 2. Restart CapCut. Close CapCut completely, even from the background, and open it again. Sometimes a simple restart fixes temporary network glitches. Step 3. Clear CapCut cache. Click on your profile in CapCut, go to Settings, and look for the option to clear cache. This removes corrupted temporary files that might be causing the error. Step 4. Disable VPN or proxy. If you're using a VPN or proxy server, try turning it off. CapCut may block certain VPNs and cause a network error. Step 5. Update CapCut. Make sure you're using the latest version. Go to the official CapCut website or Microsoft Store, download updates, and install them. Outdated versions often trigger errors. Step 6. Check Windows Firewall or antivirus. Sometimes security software blocks CapCut's internet access. Go to Windows Firewall settings and allow CapCut through both private and public networks. Step 7. Reinstall CapCut. If nothing else works, uninstall CapCut completely and reinstall the latest version. This ensures all settings and files are refreshed. By following these steps, your CapCut PC network error should be fixed. If this video helped you, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more step-by-step tutorials.